Students, let's talk about your lecture series. Now, in this Data Science 2103 course, the series is designed to provide a solid understanding of data analytics and its practical application through video lectures, demonstrations, and interactive exercises. There's some important information about your lectures. There are no points for watching the videos. You choose what you want to learn, how you want to learn it. I'm going to test to see if you actually learned it. So watching the video lectures is not graded, but the content is critical for your success. In fact, it is testable material. All material discussed in the lecture series may appear on quizzes, exams, and any other assessments that are provided. So be prepared to engage. Have a pen, paper, take notes, do it digitally, whatever you like. Actively participate in the interactive exercises to reinforce the understanding and develop the practical skills. Now, these lectures have a couple structures and goals. Each lecture focuses on specific aspects of the material and builds on the foundation laid in the previous lectures and ties into each module's case study and into its module's textbook or ebook. Staying on track and engaging with the lecture exercises will significantly enhance your comprehension and the retention of the materials. So this is additional material that enhances everything you're doing and everything you're learning. So maximize your learning. Take notes, participate actively, and apply the concepts, especially into those case studies. As you watch these videos, you start to understand the basis on how things are working and how the objectives tie to each other. Use that knowledge to fill out your case studies to be much more in depth. Guys, if you have any questions about the lectures, let me know, but just remember that they are no points for watching the videos, but they can be testable material. All right, enjoy the lectures.